Hi, so today I'm going to be taking a look at my February 2023 budget using Google Sheets. So as we have here, this is just the platform and the template that I'm using. And in the corner right here on L8, I have the starting balance of $1,500. And I've gone ahead and put in a couple of expenses that I have purchased in February 2023 of what I planned to make and then what I actually spent and then the difference between them. And so on this side under expenses, I have different categories of things that I could have possibly have spent money on, such as groceries, the rent that I pay, gas for transportation, personal things that I may need, bills that I may have, or just splurging and eating out, and just different categories. And so I went ahead and planned what I expected to pay, what I thought that I would pay, and then on this category, I have what I actually paid. So you can see for groceries, I planned to spend around $75, and in reality, I actually spent $68, making a difference of $7. And so I did that with different categories within each of the things that I spent money on. And then with that, on this side is my income. So this is the side that I spent money on, the expenses that I spent. And on this side is my income of what I received in my money. So for my paycheck at the job that I work at, I received $600, and this is what I plan to receive. I plan to receive $600, and I actually received $600, so therefore my difference was zero. Whereas for babysitting, I did not plan to babysit at all, but I actually got a few job opportunities to babysit, so I made $200, and therefore the difference was a positive $200. And same thing for different categories, such as a refund from the school. This is what I planned for, and this is what I actually received. And then it went ahead and just planned everything out for me, showed it in a graph, showing that I saved $98 this month, which is a total of positive 7% in increase in total savings. And same for my expenses, it has it laid out for me of what I actually planned and then what I actually spent. And it also has a feature to where I put in a couple different expenses that I had, such as my groceries, my rent whenever I would eat out, personal things, bills that I had to pay. But then on this side, it also had the income of different paychecks that I received from my job and then also from the clinic that I have. And so this is just a full out budget of the month of February for 2023. Thank you.